Hey everybody, welcome to Go for Green Living Homestead. My name is Daniel, and today I'm standing beside my solar heater, my can heater. Y'all remember that? And it is pumping out the heat right now. I dropped the thermometer in there, so I can't show y'all the temperature, but earlier when I just turned it on, it was blowing out 98-degree heat. It was actually hot to the touch for me, so the metal in there was even warmer than the heat it was blowing out. I'm showing y'all on the inside. Now I'm standing up on top of my wood stove. My big heater. I actually have two in here, and this is the big one. I only use it when it really gets cold. Otherwise, I use my antique wood cooker, and it keeps it very comfortable in here. But during the daytime, there's no reason for fire when I have this solar can heater. It really does a good job. And if you don't have one and you want to save some money, you need to build one. All you got to do is face it south. Facing it south, the sun will hit it, as long as there's no trees in the way. And I will go out and show you mine on the outside and let you get a good look at it. Now I have several videos. I have one video which I'm going to put all in here. The vortex, what you do to make the can, the vortex, actually building the heater itself, putting the cans together and all that kind of stuff, and how I did it, and installing it to my house. Now this is an 8-foot heater. It has to be some substantial size, so to do like a decent sized area. So mine is a little big, so because I want it warm in here, and it really does a good job. I have an intake down at the bottom where the cool air comes in. It's close to the floor. Now I've made it 4-inch, and there's no need to make it 4-inch. I think you should make it 2-inch, because I have it actually blocked off with a towel mostly, and it just comes through and acts like a filter, to filter the air as it comes through, so I'm not getting dust and stuff and build up inside the heater, which there's no way of cleaning it, which that was hindsight is 2020. That was a hindsight 2020. But a friend has just asked me, to help him build one, and I know he won't mind if we film the whole thing. So that's one of the reasons I'm sharing with y'all with this, and an upcoming video is, if he wants to, we're going to build one. Now the outside temperature today, when it was blowing out 98 degrees, was 38 degrees. So it had quite the temperature difference that it was blowing out, and it's about I don't know, I would say it's blowing out a good 110, 120 degrees right now. But the temperature outside is in the mid 40s. So, from 42 to 48, something like that, it's in there. So, but it's keeping it nice and comfortable in here, and the sun has to hit it for it to work, and you need it, during the winter time. Now, during the summertime, I just completely block off these ports, and vents. I need to put vent covers on them that I can close and and seal off, during the summertime. I just take towels and I shove them in there so that it works as an insulator. But I run these off of a 12-volt battery. Now this is a 12-volt fan, and this 12-volt fan, I have it wired straight to a 12-volt battery. Now this 12-volt battery is a gel marine battery, and I charge it with a trickle charger, during the days I'm not using, the warm days that I don't need the heat and that kind of stuff. But if I had to, I could take it right out to the solar system and charge it in line with one of my battery systems. And I have done that before, but it's not that difficult. But you could easily hook it up to 110 and have a 110 fan blowing in there, and instead of 12 volt. But I'm off grid, so I need to stay off grid as I can. This is the outside, and you can see the sun is hitting me directly in the face. It's going behind a little bit of shade here, But you can also see that it's pretty dirty, but it's still working just fine, being a little bit dirty. I need to clean it up, and I'm going to, but for today's video, this is the way it is. You know, so y'all can enjoy it this way, and know that I'm going to clean it up because it's working that good. And but y'all please bear with me. I'm still recovering from my dental surgery, and I'm having to learn how to talk again, you know, with the procedure that I had done. It's taking a little bit, but I'm trying, and so that's why I haven't been posting many videos. But here I am living the life, y'all, and y'all have a good one. Go check out my other videos about building this, installing this, and you'll enjoy them, and you'll want to build one. All right, guys, I love you. Oni Ove Ocha means I love you in Hebrew. Later, guys.